Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company and SEO consultant. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is, one of my campaign has seen a massive drop in impression share. Last month, it was 70% impression share and 30% CTR click-through rate. This month, it's dropped to 35% impression share and 16% CTR. I have checked all the usual as suspects and everything is fine. Also, the budget isn't getting spent, probably because of lack of impressions and clicks. The only issue we have had is that conversion tracking stopped working for a few weeks, which has now been resolved. Could the lack of conversion tracking be the issue and the bidding strategies maximize conversion? So if your bidding strategy is maximize conversions and your conversion tracking is not working, this is a very usual reason. You have answered in your question itself. It's definitely due to the lack of conversion tracking, because when your bid strategy is maximize conversion, it all depends on those. And Google will assume, because with bid strategy maximize conversion, your campaign will be programmed to get as much possible conversions as Google can get. And because now your conversion tracking is not working, Google is not able to determine if you are getting any conversions or not with the traffic. And with this, Google will slowly remove your site in thinking that your site do not getting any conversions or sales, because your conversion tracking is not working. In such scenarios where your conversion tracking is not working or is temporarily not working and you still want to run campaign, I always recommend to change your bidding strategy to manual CPC. Do not to add maximize conversions, because when you are not able to track conversions, how you can go emphasize on Google to get maximized conversions? This solely works with conversion tracking working as fine. But I hope I have answered this, that in those scenarios when your campaigns conversion tracking is not working well, I recommend you to the move to the manual CPC. But you have now told in your video that it has now been resolved. Now you need to clearly look on if your traffic is slowly getting back, then you are fine with maximize conversions and you can go ahead now. But if it stays constantly on the draft to decline, then you may need to change your bidding strategy for a certain time and then reevaluate after doing this. Now we need to send the system to the Google that you have solved the conversion tracking, and I assume that Google will now automatically understand once you start receiving sales and when you start seeing conversions on your Google Ads tab, and Google will also see that that kind of a traffic is converting well for you. Slowly, your budget, as you told you that your budget is also not being spent, and slowly it will help you in spending back. But in case if it doesn't happen like this, I recommend you to change your bidding strategy for a while and move on to manual CPC or other bidding strategy. And once you start getting good traffic and conversion, then you can move back to maximize conversions. Because for new campaigns, I do not recommend maximize conversions, because when you do not have any conversion data, there is no point of running maximize conversion. Maximize conversion works well with only good conversion data, because Google now understand what kind of an audience or traffic is working well for you, and based on that data, Google expands. Now, I hope this answers your question. In case if you need Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, SEO or web development services, all you have to do is to work with me and my team by clicking on the link in the description. And in case if you like this video, or I want you guys to like and share this video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.